Good afternoon, everyone. It is with great excitement that I stand before you today to introduce a smartphone that redefines speed, style, and performance, the OPPO F29 Pro 5G. OPPO has always been at the forefront of innovation, delivering cutting-edge technology that enhances the mobile experience. With the F29 Pro 5G, OPPO once again raises the bar, bringing a device that perfectly balances power, design, and connectivity. Design and display. Let's start with the first thing that catches our attention, the design. The OPPO F29 Pro 5G boasts a sleek and elegant body, with a premium glass back and a slim profile that fits comfortably in your hand. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display offers a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. With full HD plus resolution, colors appear vibrant and details are sharp, making it a perfect device for binge-watching, gaming, or social media. Performance and power. Now, let's talk about performance, because what's beauty without brains? The OPPO F29 Pro 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy 4nm flagship processor, a chipset known for its efficiency and speed. With 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, this phone can handle anything you throw at it, from multitasking to high-end gaming. And with 5G connectivity, you can experience lightning-fast downloads, buffer-free streaming, and seamless browsing. Camera excellence. A great smartphone needs a great camera, and OPPO delivers just that. The OPPO F29 Pro 5G features a triple camera setup, 50MP main sensor for stunning, high-resolution photos, 2MP ultra-wide lens for capturing breathtaking landscapes, 2MP macro lens for detailed close-up shots for selfie lovers. The 16MP front camera ensures you get the perfect shot every time, enhanced by AI beauty features that make every selfie look professional. Night mode, AI enhancements, and 4K video recording make this device a photographer's dream. Battery and charging. In today's fast-paced world, battery life is crucial. The OPPO F29 Pro 5G comes with a 6000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without interruptions. And when you do need to charge, 80W SuperVOOC fast charging takes your phone from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes, a game-changer for those always on the go. Software and features. Running on ColorOS 15 based on Android 15, this smartphone offers a user-friendly interface with enhanced security and privacy features. From customizable always-on display to AI-based optimizations, the software experience is as smooth as it is smart. Why choose the OPPO F29 Pro 5G? The answer is simple. It's a powerhouse that combines style, speed, and intelligence in one device. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or a multitasking pro, this smartphone is built to exceed expectations. With its stunning design, powerful processor, professional-grade cameras, long-lasting battery, and ultra-fast charging, the OPPO F29 Pro 5G isn't just a smartphone, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Conclusion. To sum it up, the OPPO F29 Pro 5G is here to redefine your mobile experience. If you're looking for a device that delivers top-tier performance without compromising on aesthetics, look no further. Thank you all for your time, and I invite you to explore the OPPO F29 Pro 5G and see the future of smartphones for yourself. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.